Hello friends, hi. In this video we are going to learn how to download and install Eclipse IDE for Java developer. So let's begin with the video. So to install Eclipse you have to go to eclipse.org website. I will type Eclipse download. You have to go to eclipse.org website, friends. So here you will get the latest version of Eclipse. Okay, so you will not get the older version, you will get only latest version of Eclipse. So latest version, when I'm creating this video, is real sims. You can see here. So as per your laptop configuration or desktop configuration, you have to install the Eclipse 64-bit or 32-bit. okay, so I will go here, and it is downloading Eclipse for 64-bit as my laptop is 64-bit. So I just cancel this because I already downloaded this Eclipse. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just go into the download folder and see about your Eclipse setup. So like this folder you will get, like I have downloaded Oxygen version of Eclipse like this. So extract this folder and you will get this architecture inside that folder. So you have to do nothing, you have to just double click on Eclipse symbol. Okay, so let's double click on this. You will able to see that Eclipse is getting launched. So in case if you are not getting this and you are not able to launch the Eclipse, then maybe because of the issue, like to install Eclipse or to launch Eclipse into your system, you should be having the JRE or JDK into your system. Like I'm having JDK into my system installed. You can see here in program files in Java, JDK is present into my JDK, and JRE files are present into my laptop, and also I've given the path variable for these two. So if you not aware of how to give path variable and how to install JDK, you can go to my channel and you can search for those videos. I have created those videos for you guys. Okay, so let's check here as well in command line. So Java version. So yes, I am able to see Java version. So Java is properly configured into my system. So you can see, friend, Eclipse IDE has been launched successfully. Now I can run or create any project inside this. So this is a very short video on how to download and install Eclipse into your system. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer them. Okay, till then, bye bye, see you, take care. I will see you in next video.